Chuck, how you doing? Faster, faster. Hey, King, don't stop filming. Ignore everyone. You're like that, I'll get it up there.
Take my camera. I've got. This is videoing.
Go ahead, I'll just take care of your mic.
All right.
Just keep filming and taking some pictures.
I'm doing that right here, man. I'm getting a cramp.
Here, have something to tie you
I don't
over.
do Budweiser, thank you though. Oh, I got the course. But thank you. It was it was very thoughtful.
Hey, we're here to have fun, and we're having fun, right?
Very lot of fun.
Hold on 1 second. There's a barbed wire fence right by that tree. I ran into it and it sprained me off the bike. So we're going to have to just walk and be very careful. I already took it down. But might as well go all the way past it on, charge your bike for a while. Then we'll get through this bike up there and start working on it. So we'll work on it here.
Nice.
Okay. Don't do that.
Too much pressure here, dude.
Cylinder's filled with water, dude.
Is it really? Oh, it's locked, yeah.
Fuck.
Better pull the plug and drain the thing.
Fucking nightmare with the plug. Or we just lift it upside down. That would work?
Yeah, it'll work.
Look, get up there right now. Hey! Guys, we gotta do this thing up, man. This fucking cylinder's got water in it. Get the plug out. Dude, it's 3 minutes. Just do it right there. Start doing it, Joe. We'll do it. I gotta get it up. No, go ahead and get it done.
My bag's wet, but my foot's dry.
Don't be last. I believe I'll have another beer.
That's about like the best idea.
Beer hunter. Anytime. I mean, I wasn't coming here.
Hey, dude, you went too fast. I couldn't catch you.
Go ahead, you got the line.
Watch out for that spike.
I might not be ready. Yeah.
Get
All
a
right.
video, Frank?
Here I go.
Give me a hand.
Sounds like a two-stroke.
Hey, let's get Pete over. Let's clear our throat. How was that water crossing?
Psych myself up, man.
I got a boot full of water, but it is good.
It gets harder and harder, and that's the lowest the water's ever been. Yeah. In my experience. But I stopped, put a foot down to here.
I did too. I like.
But I didn't put a fucking handle down.
Oh, the best part! I didn't get to ride my bike over the log.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
There you go. Don't fart now. Smoky. Smoky McBurn.
We need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay.
You do what?
Phillips screwdriver.
Dude, you gotta take the tank off. I'm telling you.
Take it off, hold it upside down like we did with that other dude's bike here.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Oh, Roger.
Yeah, Roger.
Roger Reno.
Yeah.
I don't want Reno in my name at all. Oh yeah. You need to walk over that.
This is all in high def.
I would almost just walk the whole thing from there. It's not a rideable area. I don't know about you, but it's not what I call rideable.
I don't know if that was raining though. I don't know if that was
Bronkin buck.
Okay. Hang on, we're not going to
That was a bucking bronco.
Oh, let me show you. It's a little ratchet that goes into that little back end, and then you can turn it through.
Hey, John.
Dreamed about just riding over that log and never